it's me, Caitlin. We have Connor today we'll be making
confetti cupcakes.
So today we'll be using the Confetti Cupcake mix, and we'll also be needing 1 cup of water, half a cup of oil. We're using the pre-made frosting, cupcake liners, the cupcake pan tins, the hand mixer, eggs, and a mixing bowl. You don't have to use the hand mixer. You can just mix it by hand, but we're choosing to use a hand mixer. So first we're gonna have to set the oven to 350 degrees. Let's go. We're going on the trip. Yeah. Okay.
It was 350.
No. How much time? Oh, it depends. 19 to 23 minutes. So it's preheating right now, and we're gonna be starting to put together our mixer, and then we'll start combining the ingredients. Okay, so it's shaped like this. We're using this kind. Now we're going to get on to starting our batter. So first we're going to be starting with pouring all our cake mix in. Add our 1 cup of water. You can do it. Okay. Now we need oil. Half a cup of oil. This is 4 ounces of avocado oil. You can also use vegetable oil, but today we're going to be using avocado oil. So we're adding that. Ooh. Okay. Now we're going to add 3 eggs. Oh no, leave it there. Now add the 3rd. Come out, egg. Now we're going to be using the mixer to mix it up. So our hand mixer, where there's like different levels. There's 2, 4, and 6. Or there's, yeah. And 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. So to 2 to 1, so it's not that fast. That's the cake batter, I hope.
Now let's pour it in.
So we're done. We've been mixing for 2 minutes with a hand mixer. And so you can either use an ice cream scoop or a spoon. Spoon might take longer, but you want to fill about like halfway, maybe a little bit over.
Halfway?
Yeah. Okay, let's start.
Not because it rises. I thought it was 19 to
19 to 23 minutes. So let's put it in the oven. Surprisingly, we have a lot of cupcake batter, left, we're gonna be making a cake. So we're gonna be just putting a little bit oil and we're gonna be spreading it around this pan. So we finally pour the cupcake pan out. It should look like this. Test it with a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, no cake batter on it, then your cupcakes is done. It looks done.
And then we have to chill it.
Yeah, we chilled it in the fridge or the freezer. Freezer, it makes it a little faster. So now we're just gonna be taking the cupcakes out of the pan. And then we'll be putting our pre-packaged frosting. Now we're gonna start frosting them. And packing bags is the original thing used, but today we'll be using Ziploc bags because it's another way to just.
I'll get scissors. Oh.
Guys, we're gonna cut the cake like so it's smaller. Perfect.
Now we have to frost it. Looks like bread, kind of.
Yeah, but it's the cake. Okay, we're taking pieces off. So since we greased our cakes, if we flip it over, it'll come straight out clean. Okay, now let's start to frost it. So now we're gonna be adding our sprinkles. It doesn't look that good because it's a little messy, but it's gonna taste really good. So we're gonna add some sprinkles.
Let's just take a handful and just sprinkle it around. Confetti.
They're like little fishes.
Except they're not.
Alright, our final product.
Yeah, with all our
Try to bread.
I think they. Oh, that's why this is like the water and these are the fishies.
Okay, cheers.
A pair of toast. Yummy cupcakes and cakes. Delicious.
Thank you for watching this video. Click this thumbs up to see more fun videos like these. Subscribe down below. Click the like notification. Yeah. And bye.